the giant ebook kit. Over 3,000 PLR products that you could use, sell, and make money with? No, I doubt it. This is a giant mess. This is a review, an honest review, and I'll show you why. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products, and make money with PLR. Before I start this review, I just want to say that I'm not doing this to vilify anyone. This is just my opinion about this product. It's not about the creators of the product, the creator of the course, or anything, the upsells, downsells, anything. This is just my opinion. If you want to get it, you're going to have to get it from someone else because there is no link for this product or the upsells or anything. This is an honest review, my opinion. So this is the giant ebook kit. And when it's giant, over 3,000 PLR products. So this is what they promise. You're going to get access to 3,000 ebooks with PLR rights. Now, I'm going to say this right now. It's not full PLR rights, and I'll talk about that in a little bit. So stay tuned. Really hold on in this video. I want you to see the whole thing because it's saying on the first line, with PLR rights. If you have PLR rights, like if I got something and I downloaded it and it's PLR rights, I can change it, put my name on it. I can make a whole product out of it. I could put it into audio, video. You get it? That's a real full PLR because the first line is full PLR. Is it? I'll show you that it isn't. It says you can edit these ebooks, add your name into them, and turn it into products. And I'll show you why you can't. And yeah, it covers the niches from health and making money and dating and blah, blah, blah. Here's the problem. Most of you that are watching this, you have to start with something. Do you need 3,000? No, you need one. So in the description, I have really amazing PLR vendors. It's not expensive. All you need is one. Get one product. One. Something you'll love that you could take apart, put your name on it, and turn it to a product. And you can actually do that. All the links are in the description. So in the sales page, the promise is you can make money with these products. And you get 3,000 of them. Remember, you only need one. You have 3,000. So what you're going to do is you get this mass of PLR stuff. And you're going to have to go through 3,000? No. So this is what they're promising. Yeah, these are interesting. They say you can make all this money. I doubt it. Not doing this. They're promising the moon with all this. So I bought this to show you what this is. So this is the first page. Now there's a whole bunch of OTOs. So upsells that they want you to get. And I'm pleading with you. You don't need them. You really don't. And you don't even need this giant ebook kit. You don't need this. Click on the links in the description and get one of those things. And I got this. I clicked on this and I'll show you what it is. So when I clicked on that link, I get this, and this is a Google Doc, and you can download it fully. and get this gigantic thing on your computer, or you could do it piecemeal. And that's what I did, because I just wanted to see what this looks like. So I got part 1, 100 ebooks, all right? And I'm just going to show you what I'm talking about, that this is not the PLR that they could say you can rewrite and everything. Remember that. I'm just going to go through a few of them. So this is the first one, the Affiliate Marketing and Success Systems. And here's the book. All right? It's a PDF. A PDF, meaning if it's a PDF, can you take it apart? No. Can you change it? No. Can you put your name on it? No. Why? Because it's a PDF. It's just an ebook. And here are the master resale rights. These are master resale rights, meaning you can resell the product. You get the master resale rights. But look at this. You can sell it, use it for personal use, etc., etc. But let's look at the no's. Can you modify or change the main product? No. Can you change the graphics and e-cover? No. Can you give it away? No. So what's the purpose of this? If you can't put your name on it, you can't put your links in it, you can't make it yours, you can't update it, you can't do anything. So let's look at another one. This is the Alpha Dog Internet Marketer. It's a mouthful. And here's the book. It's a PDF. It's the same thing. And look at this. It has someone else's URL. It's not your website, it's their website. And what can you do with it? Nothing. So if you want to change any of this, no, you can't do anything. Nothing. It's useless. Here's their certificate. It's the same thing. You can't change it, modify it, nothing. And they give you a sales page. So let's take a look at it. It's HTML. It's awful. This is what they're saying to you, that you can take something like this and change it and turn it into a product, and you can sell it to someone. Look at the first line. Get instant access to 3,000 ebooks that you can edit. Edit. Add your name to. No. In the first line, they're misleading you. And it says on the second line, you can edit them, add your own name, and turn them into products and bank huge profits. And maybe there are some ebooks in here. I'm just going to look around. No, PDFs, PDF, nothing. You can't change any of these. Maybe there's a few that you can change, but you're going to have to go through 3,000 products? That's ridiculous. Instead, I'm going to say this again. Click on the description below this video. Find one of the vendors that I put in there and click on them, noodle around, look for something that you like. Buy one product. You don't have to get the whole schmeal. Get something for $10. On the PLR.me, you could get 10 free credits if you click on that link and use one of those for free. This is a giant mess. This is just a giant mess. It's an embarrassment to the PLR feel. So the first upsell, OTO, where it's a one-time offer that you can get it anytime. You really can. So in this OTO, it's more PLR, Master Resell PLR. Do you need another 1,000 of these things? No. Pass. Step 2, the second one, never before released. A new members area with the secrets. You don't need it. It's more money out of your pocket. Pass. Third one, they will give you your own product. The upgrades, everything to go, more money, worthless, in my opinion. This is all my opinion. And if you want to spend even more money, for the first 25 people, and I'm sure it's for more, but first 25 people, you can learn more stuff that you're going to go nowhere fast. I'm telling you, click on the links in the description. There's a lot of stuff in there that I trust, I use, and I show people just like you who want to make money online with PLR. Now, one of the bonuses that you get with the original product is this course called Pimper. What a name. And the truth is, I bought that years ago before I knew better. And I had some questions. I emailed them. Nothing. No response. And for me, it was worthless. And it's off my computer. I got rid of it completely. And do you need it? No. What I would suggest, click on the link in the description. And the reason I keep repeating that is those products, those sources are amazing. It's how I'm making money online with PLR. Not with Pimper, not with a giant ebook with 3,000 PLR master resale rights that you can't change, even though they say that you can, because I couldn't find them. How about a hard pass for this product? So, there's my review. I am Brian Toder of PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. We'll talk soon.